Hey friends, in this video I'll be showing you how to add that inverted color effect to text in DaVinci Resolve. So let's start by pulling up the Effects tab, searching up text, drag it to our timeline, match the duration, and let's change what's written. Let's make this control. I think that sounds pretty cool. Let's up the size a little bit. There we go. Maybe move it a bit upward. There we go. All we have to do is go onto our settings and scroll down. You'll see this composite tab. In composite mode, let's change this to difference. Let's see how that looks. And there you go. You know what? Let's also add a little bit of bottom crop and soften it out just to accentuate the effect a little. There you go. I'd say that looks pretty good. So I hope I was able to teach you something new, and it really is that easy. Thank you for watching.